Using a 7mm wrench and a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the headset on the sides. Then, push the headset out like this. Disconnect the cable. Before putting the headset on the frame, loosen the screw. It can interfere with the fitting of the headset if it is stuck. Insert the headset into the new frame. Connect the cable to the headset. With the headset fitted, retighten the screw. Insert the side screws that hold the headset to the frame. Making sure the screw pass through the locking nut. Insert the elastic band with the sides. Before screwing, keep the cable centered, making sure the black tape section is inside the grooves. Insert the 6 small screws into the frame. Four on top and 2 on the sides. Finally, install the screw sleeves that protect the elastic. Using an Allen wrench, tighten the screw just enough to hold the part. Tightening too tightly may crack the part.